Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
But the prawns is not cooked. It's raw. I have to swallow it.
Instead of eating it,
I can't
swallow
it
it.
now.
It's 10 out of 10. A little. That's why my eyes going like, let that be this Walida.
Press the plus button.
The plus, oh.
I don't know what they give me, as long as they don't kill me.
Now chicken. I saw that thing. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello. Hi, don't let that now. This is streaming, start.
Me know they stream since.
If you've been to Lagoon Beach Hotel before, please rate this place. Let me know in the comment section. For me, it was 10 over 10. The interior was 10 over 10. I came outside to make calls while the women were inside waiting for me. And after that, I had to take some few shots, few clips all around the place. Like the interior was just giving that look that you want to take pictures, right? The bar section, the dining section where you eat, it's beautiful. This whole place, every part of this place, the Lagoon Beach was so beautiful. Then the women walked in. You can see them. That's the celebrants right there. Yes, you're gonna see more of her. And they gave us their review of the food they ate. So stay tuned to watch and hear what they had to say about the food. It's kind of like hilarious. I just took my time to capture some beautiful area in the place, and they were seated waiting for me. And I had some few time to meet with these white guys from Germany. Nice, interesting, cool people to meet for the first time, and we had long chats about their experience in Cape Town. They came for an event. So this is the interior. This place is really, really busy, really, really attractive. Every part of it was interesting.
This one won't be like the one when Jesus stay with the bread. No? When they give us.
It's my birthday.
Oh, it was actually really nice.
I was calling you fast. No, waiting for that. They talk to the time.
What's another one?
What's your order for? Not the same thing. This.
Can I put for you?
You did? Soy sauce.
No,
No, not the wish.
I'm not in with you. Why did they go like that?
Press the plus button.
The plus, oh.
I don't know what they give me, as long as they don't kill me.
Now chicken. I saw that thing. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hello. Hi, don't let that now. This is streaming, start.
Me know they stream since.
You know the stream.
The answer hotel no say they said cook this thing.
People they all done.
If na steak now, they will ask you whether you want food or abi na food.
I like I said no go do me anything.
Yeah, taste your.
So that free the viewer. It's okay. Your own is well done. My own not done.
Maybe we swipe fish.
Then they write review.
With who?
What do you want with? What's that eat not done?
I say wetin I eat na fresh prawns.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy 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 hooray! Happy birthday.
Thank you.
camera, they don't want.
Where are they running from? Where are they hiding?
I feel like maybe private life.
Everybody here has a private life.
When you are working in a public Why you forcing me? No. Wait. You come on down, don't see the video. Come on down, maybe that's the first me. I ordered sushi, the salmon and the prawns. It was nice. Because me, I love sushi, so
9 over 10.
10 over 10.
10 over 10.
Yeah. I ordered prawn and hake. It's nice. I really enjoyed it. Although the prawn was not well cooked, but the presentation, it's 100. I love the crunchiness, and I love the prawn VNTA prawn cracker. Yeah, it was nice. It's nice. 10 over 10. They tried. And the guy, the waiter is friendly. Yeah, the prawn is not well cooked, but outside that, they tried. Yeah, and the sauce.
Oh, I forget that part. I'm the birthday girl, okay? And I ate, what did I eat? Prawn and, where you foresee bento? You need to do that girl review. Bento, don't let us hear what. Okay. Wait. See this thing for here. Wait first, make I ferry it by home. Calm down. Yeah, go talk with you, I don't know. But which name is that one? Panko? Is that a Chinese name? Or is that not Chinese, be that a been that Japanese? Panko? And prawn crackers. Oh, I didn't eat that because I never liked it before. I just tasted it because you always carry too much oil, so I don't eat it. I didn't eat that. I can't give any review. The prawn was not well done. In fact, it was a perfect cook. The perfect cook for prawn. It was beautiful. The hake was so fresh, so nice. Their sauce is one of the best sauce I've ever eaten. It's so nice. I always enjoy their prawn here anyway. So yeah, overall it's nice. They gave me this drink, yellow fever. I don't know this one. It's not really sweet.
I drank a pina colada, non-alcohol.
How many cups you drink because
It's actually very nice.
yes.
It's my first time taking it, but I love it. For this, two. Yeah, I took 2. For this, it's 10 over 10. Then the
Yes, thank you.
what did we eat? What did we order?
We order panko.
I ordered the same thing with her.
Panko.
It was very nice, very nice. No Jesus bread here. They didn't give us Jesus. So I told her I would like to try this bento to share. She started asking who should
No, you need to talk because not be bento to
Okay.
bento.
So right now there is chicken bento,
Okay.
burger bento, seafood bento. After all the bento, she went. After all the bento, she left the bento and went to order sushi punko. She ordered sushi panko. Okay.
Look the other name, I don't forget.
Okay, forget about the panko. There inside the panko, there is fish, there is prawns. So the fish is okay.
The fish is fishing.
The fish is fishing well, but the prawns
It's not cooked.
is raw.
But you ate it.
I have to swallow it.
Instead of eating
I
it,
can't
swallow
bear
it.
it now.
Mumbai Malachite. It's a cocktail, a gin cocktail. Yes. Only Lagoon sell this. Yes.
Only in Lagoon.
Sell this the nice cocktail. So it's a gin, actually gin cocktail.
I also ordered seafood bento, which is tempura hake with wasabi, tartar, grilled calamari, skewers with chili jam, panko prawn, whatever that is. But I enjoyed it. I loved it. It's nice. I'll give it. Okay, yeah, I'll give it like 8 over 10. I wasn't happy with the fact that they didn't ask me if they should fry it with flour, because it's with flour and all that. So I'm not the kind of person that I like flour. I'm trying to diet, but all in all, I enjoyed it and I loved it. Yeah, but I didn't drink any drink. All I drank was sparkling water. Yeah. Will I come here again? Yeah, definitely. Is it expensive? Yeah, that was like 350 rand for one plate. Not expensive though.
I drank mojito. At first, seeing it, I thought it was not nice because it was my first time to order it. But when I tasted it, like I go for more. So it's 10 out of 10. A little. That's why my eyes going like, let that be this one leader. My dear lady.